Here's how to stop Easy Home Screen from coming back on Android in less than 3 minutes. Today, this step-by-step guide will help keep your normal home screen from switching back. First, open the Settings app and tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Easy Home or Easy Mode. Your version may look slightly different. If the option appears, tap it and turn the feature off. Return to the home screen and check if the normal layout has returned. Next, open Settings again and tap Apps. Then tap Default Apps if that option is available. Look for Home App or Default Home App and tap it. You'll see a list of available launchers. Select your phone's standard Home app instead of Easy Home Screen. Press the Home button once to confirm the change. Then, clear the cache for your main launcher. Open Settings, tap Apps, and find your phone's default launcher. The name may be One UI Home, Pixel Launcher, Moto App Launcher, or something similar. Tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data unless you are willing to reset your home screen layout. After that, restart your phone. Hold the power button, tap Restart, and wait for the device to turn back on. This helps save the changes and refresh the launcher settings. Now check for a software update. Open Settings, tap Software Update or System Update, and check for available updates. If an update appears, install it and restart the phone after the process is complete. Once the phone turns back on, press the home button several times and open a few apps before returning to the home screen. This confirms that the standard launcher is staying active. If you don't see these options, there's another way. Restart the phone in safe mode and check whether Easy Home Screen still returns. If the problem stops in safe mode, a third-party launcher or utility app may be changing your home screen settings. Removing that app can fix the issue. Once everything is set, your phone should stay on the standard home screen without switching back unexpectedly. Following these simple steps makes fixing Easy Home Screen quick and easy.